A very good morning to dear students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 12, the elements air, water and weather. Now air, what is air? Air is an important natural resource. It is present all around us. It covers the earth like an envelope. It protects the earth from harmful rays of the sun. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. We breathe in air. We cannot live without air. Plants make their food with the help of carbon dioxide in air. Oxygen present in the air supports burning. Birds fly in the air. Now these are in this way air just play a very important role in our life. What is air made up of? Air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and argon. It also contains water vapor, dust, smoke and germs. Now the properties of air. What is the properties of air? Air occupies space, air has weight, air exerts pressure and air supports burning. Now what is atmosphere? The layer of gases that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. It covers the earth like a blanket. The atmosphere protects the earth from the harmful rays, that is ultraviolet rays of the sun. It also keeps the earth warm and habitable for all living organisms. Moving air. What is moving air? The air moves about. The air moves about when there are changes in the temperature and pressure. This moving air is called wind. Wind blows in different directions. The direction of wind and the speed at which it moves affect our weather. Strong wind are called gale. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. Very strong wind are called storm. A thunderstorm is a storm which lightning and thunder. It is produced by dark heavy clouds, gusty winds, heavy rains and sometimes hail also. Now what is air current? When air is heated up and it becomes lighter and goes up, cold air rushes into take its place. This is called air current. The same thing happens in our room. Cold air enters through the windows and the doors. Air gets heated up inside the room for our various activities and goes out through the ventilators. This is how when the sun shines brightly and land gets heated up. The air on land becomes hot and rises up. Cold air from the sea takes its place. The movement of hot water is called hot current and that is cold air is called cold current. The hot and cold current causes sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze. During the day, land gets heated up quickly while water in the sea remains cool. The air above the land becomes hot and rises up. The cool air above the sea rushes in to take its place. This movement of air from sea to land during the day is called sea breeze. Now what is land breeze? Land breeze is at the night when the temperature drops down, land cools down faster than the sea water. Air above the water being warm rises up and cold air from the land rushes in to take its place. The movement of air from land to sea is called land breeze. Now you can see the sea breeze, the timing is daytime and the land breeze time is night time. Thank you.